like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. I'm doing a shaker card Valentine series, and this shaker card it does not contain any chipboard, nor foam tape, no hide. Okay, so let's start. So first, I'm gonna need black cardstock that will measure 5 inches by 7 inches, and then I'm gonna score at ½ inch from all sides. So then this frame, this one, it becomes 4 by 6. Okay, now what we will do is on this piece, I'm gonna mark 1 inch from here with a pencil and 1 inch from here, 1 inch from here, and then 1 inch from here. So we have a frame, and this piece we are gonna cut. Okay, so after you have cut the frame, I'm gonna cut on this intersection point, making a diagonal like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold on my scored lines. I'm gonna burnish them. Make sure these folded edges, they just meet each other from here, from the corner. They do not overlap, and you have a pointed, sharp corners. Now we need a piece of acetate. This is 378 by 578, and I'm gonna put tape on all 4 sides. Now after you have done this, just remove the tape backing from your acetate, and the frame which we made for the cardstock, just open it up, open this folded edges, and then we're gonna stick this frame. Okay, make sure that you are pasting it just inside. Okay, and then just burnish it. Like this. Now just close these edges, and then we are gonna put tape on all these 4 sides, closing our frame. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do this. If you have any extra tape sticking out, just cut it with your scissors. Okay, and then keep this piece aside. Now take your card base. So I have cut my pattern paper to 4 by 6 inches, and then I'm just taking this on the base like this. Okay, now I'm gonna put shaker in here. Adding a bit of a purple to it, and then I'm gonna remove the backing of my tape from this frame. Now I have removed the tape backing from my piece, and I'm just gonna clean the acetate, and then I'm just placing it on top of the pattern paper, sticking one side first and then the bottom side. I'm gonna move my shaker a little bit, and then I'm gonna just stick this. So there we go, one more shaker, and then we are gonna line it up with our pattern paper.
Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me.